Okay, hi, it's John. I'm here to do the Griffey Jr. 89 Upper Deck. There's over 100 people on my list, and then I gave people extra ones. I'll show you. I gave people extra anyone that was in a lot of auctions, like these two guys. I gave them extras, like one for every so many auctions they were in. Tyler, I think, has 11, 10 or 11. I'm not sure. But anyone that was in a bunch. Mitch, Norm, Raffy, Ed Mauer, stuff like that. I just threw a bunch of them in. So, here we go. Oh, and I just clicked this. It was 8, so we're going to use this for the first one. Here we go. Ed Mauer's on top. Rick Silver's on top. Holy shit, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row. My God, that's ridiculous. Alright, that's 3. Luther Lyons is on top. Mike McGough's on top. I think that's 4. Yes. 5 is Jimmy B. Rick. Nick. Rick, Nick, and then Rick. Alright, let's see here. Alright. 6. Heather Laver. This is 7. Tyler Porter on top. Christopher Insalaka. Good guy. And that was 7. Ashton Little, I haven't seen him in a while. Okay, so that's 7. We need 8. Here it is. Here's the winner. Winner is Dale Hill. Okay, Dale Hill. When was the last time he was in an auction? God, like 2 years ago. I'll have to see. I'll have to get in touch with him, let him know. If he doesn't claim this, I'll redo it. But I don't think he'll not claim it. It's a Ken Griffey Jr. rookie card worth a lot of money, so we'll see. All right, and I think I have to do. And there it is, 8 times. Oh, and shit, I forgot to do it. Official time is 1:33. 1:33. Make sure you get that. Okay, yep. Oh, all right, it looks good. All right, so I guess that's good. I'll publish it.